Hi, I'm Andrew from Wild Earth, and today I'm on the South Island of New Zealand, and I've been spending the last 2 weeks holidaying and hiking around the island. I've just finished hiking the Kepler track and Milford track, both of which were absolutely amazing. And during this time I've been testing out my new Patagonia Granite Crest waterproof jacket, and so far I'd have to say that I'm stoked with how it's gone. So Patagonia is well known for its environmentally friendly approach to its gear, and this jacket is no exception. The 3-layer, 3-ounce 30 denier outer shell is made from recycled nylon from fishing nets and is combined with a breathable waterproof barrier and a durable water repellent finish. The 30 denier outer means the jacket remains lightweight, coming in at only 400 grams. In colder climates, this is perfect when paired with a fleece mid-layer. Okay, so the jacket comes with one center zip, as well as a chest pocket and 2 side pockets, all fitted with waterproof covers to keep out the worst weather. There's also a vent on each side to assist with ventilation if required. The jacket has a 2-way adjustable hood, which helps with visibility to shed water in really bad rain. It also has a hem adjustment and Velcro sleeve adjustments to ensure the jacket remains comfortable at all times. Overall, this Patagonia jacket has exceeded all of my expectations, and it's kept me dry in the rain as well as warm when it's cold and windy. If you're in the market for a new waterproof jacket, make sure you check out Patagonia's Granite Crest waterproof jacket, and you can get yours from Wild Earth either in store or online today.